This is a simple derrick crane. Got a mast and a boom. The mast is just a straight pole that is supported by guy wires, go way out to the side. And the boom hangs off the mast, controlled by a cable that goes to a winch. And the boom can be lowered and raised with that cable. And then there's another cable to another winch that actually can lift a load off the end of the boom. So the load can be lowered either by raising the boom or directly by raising the load up and down off the end of the boom. And I'm back in the woods here near an old granite quarry. There's an old abandoned derrick here. You can see that goes way, way up there. See it through the top. You can see it up there. That's the top of it up there in the trees. So here's the base of this old derrick crane. My question is how the bottom of it works. Does the mast turn with the boom, or does the boom turn independently of the mast? I'm going to climb down here and see. Yeah, I guess that answers my question. There's the pivot point for the whole thing. The whole thing turned it all together, which makes the most sense. Here's the mechanism on the bottom where the boom attaches to the mast, where the mast rotates. Down in there is the big plate that the mast sat on, big steel plate. Here's a better shot of the mast. Way up there. Thing's been abandoned for 50 years probably. And there's the boom, which is horizontal and been wet. It's finally collapsed. So the answer to my question is that the mast and the boom turn together, and the boom swings under the guy wires that support the mast.